Hey guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make probably the easiest hot cocoa station you've ever seen. I saw a lot of videos of these really elaborate, awesome looking hot cocoa bars. I only have this tiny little space to do something, so I decided that I wanted to jazz it up a little bit, and I started with this tea towel that I just showed you from the Target dollar spot. I found that this year just to give it a little bit of a Christmassy flair. I have this little glass pedestal that I got on sale at Hobby Lobby. And you're going to see that I pop in my vanilla syrup. I use that in my coffee and I like to keep it accessible, so I'm putting that back behind the pedestal. The next thing I'm going to use is this milk jar that I found at the Target dollar spot a few years ago. And I'm just going to put some festive straws that I found at Walmart. I thought the kids would really enjoy these. So I'm going to put that into the milk jar. This jar that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use that for the candy canes. We like these soft peppermint sticks, not candy canes. They dissolve a lot faster than the regular candy canes, but we like them. So I have a mason jar that I'm going to put the marshmallows in, and I actually use a Parmesan can lid for the mason jar. It works perfectly, and it's great for sprinkling those mini marshmallows. To jazz it up with some cups. I got my cute Santa cup. I actually got this for my husband. It was from Target. And he's so cute with his eyes closed. And then I just have my Starbucks reusable cup. And that is it. Now I'm going to show you how I store drink supplies. I actually have ground coffee and all of my teas in this drawer right underneath my Keurig. So all of the teas that are in pouches are in that blue container there, and then my other teas are still in their boxes. That's just where I like to keep those. Actually keep my K-cups in the drawer below that. I didn't show you guys that, I forgot. And then in the cabinet up above is where I keep my extra cups and the hot cocoa canister, which I thought about getting a canister and putting it on the counter, but it would have been way too cluttered, so I just keep it up there and it's fine. I may add in some sprinkles for the kids. I think they would enjoy that, as well as some disposable cups at some point. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!